I'm Tim Kunow with Flywheel. This is a usage guide for configuring ORCID accounts for use in Flywheel. ORCID is a popular digital infrastructure used by researchers all over the world. Flywheel uses the primary email address associated with ORCID. It's possible all the configuration in ORCID is already in place. Briefly, you can create an ORCID account if you do not already have one. If you have one, we'll show you how to use it. You can share that ORCID account with Flywheel, and you can use that account to log in normally. Once you've logged into Flywheel, you can return to ORCID and restore the previous setting. The first step is to either create or authenticate into your existing ORCID account at ORCID.org. Step 2 is to navigate to the upper right-hand corner of the page and find your profile settings. Step 3, click on your profile settings and select View My ORCID Record in the drop-down list. Step 4, locate on the left-hand corner of the screen your emails list and click on the blue pencil to edit that list. Step 5, in the right-hand side of the pop-up box, select the Share with Everyone icon next to the email you will use in the Flywheel user account. This is likely your primary email address. Step 6. Return to Flywheel and log in with your shared email address. At this point, your Flywheel onboarding process is complete. Step 7 is optional. You can return and restore your sharing profile within ORCID itself. Flywheel no longer needs that type of access. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for choosing Flywheel.